Hey everyone, welcome back to Art of V. In today's video, we are diving into something super exciting, AI powered 3D animation using Quickmagic's AI motion capture system. That's right, we are turning real video footage into fully animated 3D characters with just a few clicks. This workflow is fast, creative and super efficient. It's a complete game changer for animators and creators. No mocap shoot, no tedious keyframing and no manual tracking. With Quickmagic, you can extract professional quality motion straight from the video and instantly bring your character to life. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process from uploading video, importing the motion data and applying it to a custom 3D character, all inside Blender. So let's bring your custom character to life and dive into the world of AI 3D animation with Quickmagic's AI motion capture and a bit of Blender magic. First, check out the video description. I have provided a link, click on it and you will be redirected to this page. From here, simply click sign up, then log in with your Google account or else fill in your detail to create a new account. Also make sure to use my referral code ABHIQM. It's beneficial for me and you also. By using my code, you will get some free V coins to create more motion. Once you log in, you will see this interface with 3 buttons on the left. The top one shows some example content, mostly dance moves and action scenes, which seem to be very popular. Just click on any of this example, wait a second and it will show you the interface where the actual video used for motion capture plays in the background, while CG character plays the animation in the foreground. As you can see, the results are super impressive. Next, the second button shows previously uploaded clips or projects. Then move to the last button, AI mocap. Here, 1 Vcoin is used per second of the video. Now let's get started. Click to import video file and locate your video clip. It may take a few minutes to detect the person. Once it's done, drag the output format onto the character. I personally find that Mixamo format works best with Blender. Also, one thing, make sure the subject in your video is fully inside the frame and clearly visible. Click on next and you will get a pop-up with more options. Here, you can set your desired settings, set your title. Then, I am choosing full body animation with hand movement and the first frame should be T-pose. Export format will be Mixamo. Then click on generate now. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes to upload the video and extract the motion. Once that's done, click on the clip to open the project. As you can see, Quickmagic's AI motion capture has extracted the motion almost perfectly. If you are not satisfied, click on 2D refinement. If you don't know how to use it, don't worry, there's a tutorial too. But it's pretty easy. Just click on the detection points to adjust their position and align them frame by frame with your subject motions. Once you're done aligning, click on save, then recreate motion. It will take few more minutes to recalculate everything. Once done, download the motion and choose your folder path location. Next, go to your location folder and extract the file. Now open Blender, go to the file, import, FBX, locate your motion file, select it and under armature setting, check automatic bone orientation. Then import the file. Set an end frame of your timeline based on your animation. After that, hit the spacebar to preview the animation. As you can see, Quickmagic's AI mocap has successfully extracted the motion from the video. Your animation is ready, and yep, we still need to do some cleanup and polish the animation. If you hide the mess, you will be able to clearly see the armature animation for better visibility and fine-tuning. Next, we'll use this animation on our custom character, the same one you saw in the beginning of the video. I have already gone ahead and designed a custom character for this. I will mark it as an asset, then go to File, Export, FBX. You will have a location pop-up. Simply click on Export. Now, let's rig this character. Open your browser, go to the Mixamo. You will find the Mixamo link in the video description, or just go to the Google and search for Mixamo. And here, if you don't have an account, sign up. If you already do, just log in. And now, click on Upload Character, locate your character file from its destination folder. It will take a few minutes to upload. In the meantime, if you don't have a custom character, Mixamo has plenty available. Feel free to use one of those. Once your character is uploaded, set the orientation and click on next. And here, we gonna rig our character. Align the markers properly according to their respective names. When it's done, choose your skeleton LOD. In my case, the character doesn't have full fingers, just a thumb and a finger patch. So I will choose 2 chain fingers, which I believe has around 41 bones. Then click on next again. It will take 4 to 5 minutes to rig your character. And once it's done, now you can see our custom character is fully rigged and ready for animation. Here's the armature view and the regular shaded view. Once you're happy, click next to confirm. You can even preview different Mixamo motions on your character here. Once satisfied, click download, choose the FBX format, select T-pose. After downloading the fully rigged character, now back to Blender. Earlier, we extracted the motion by using Quickmagic's AI motion capture. We are going to use that mocap on our custom character. First, import a character. For that, click on File, Import, FBX and locate your file. Once your character is imported in Blender, select the armature, go to the armature properties, expand the viewport display and check in front. Do the same for the other character as well. This makes it easier to see the skeletons. Now here, to use the same animation on your custom rig character, we will have to remap the mocap animation to our custom character using the Auto Rig Pro add-on. This is actually much easier than free options like Rococo or Rigify, but it does involve a few steps. Now, for that, press N to open the side menu, go to the Auto Rig Pro Remap tab. In the source armature, select the mocap skeleton. Then in the target armature, select your custom character skeleton. Once both are selected, click on Build Bone List. As you can see, Auto Rig Pro automatically detects the appropriate bone for the mocap skeleton. Expand the panel a bit so you can read bone names clearly. Now we need to set the root bone. In the Mixmo rig, it's usually the hip bone. So select it and click on Set as Root. Then click on Retarget, keep the default settings and click on OK. And that's it. Quickmagic's AI motion capture has now successfully applied to our custom character. And yeah, it looks amazing. Now, we don't need the extra armature anymore. So head to the outliner, right click on it, delete hierarchy to keep the things clean. Back to the 3D viewport, let's now clean up the animation. I am going to delete initial T-pose keyframes and fix the slight floating issue by adjusting the location frame by frame. Once you're done with the cleanup and some final touches, here's the final animation. Now, I went ahead and added a few area lights to light up the scene and make the character stand out. I have also added some cameras, adjusted their focal length, enabled depth of field and set up the shot for our desired angle. Then, I built a quick environment using some basic shape blocks and these cylindrical steps. Everything is arranged based on the character's animation. And for this steps animation, I have added the location keyframe and moved to the graph editor, then added a noise modifier for some subtle up-down random animation. This is the final scene with all the animation. It still felt a bit empty, so I added more character to populate the scene, each with random animation applied. Then after that, once everything is done and placed properly in the scene, I adjusted the camera again to get the perfect desired view. Here's the final composition node. It's pretty basic, nothing too fancy. And for the final render color management, I'm using Hue Transform to HGX and Look to medium high contrast. And that wraps up our full journey from video to a fully animated 3D character in Blender. This workflow felt like magic, taking a single clip and transforming into a detailed expressive motion. No mocap shoot, no manual keyframing, just smart tools and creative freedom. I personally love this workflow. It's fast, intuitive and super efficient. It gives you more time to focus on the creative part rather than spending hours on technical animation. What do you think, guys? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you are into animation, filmmaking or just curious about the future of 3D motion, I highly recommend giving it a shot. You can start experimenting today by using my invite code ABHIQM. Sign up here to unlock your free V-Coins and try it for yourself. Try animating your own characters, play with new motion styles and bring your Blender scene to life in ways you never imagined. And that's it for now. See you in the next video. Until then, follow AutoV for more.